let me talk to somebody at the NRA. And he did. He got back to me right away, and he says, look, I think we have a case.
Well, as you know, coming up November the 3rd, the Supreme Court is going to hear oral arguments in a case called New York State Rifle and Pistol Association versus Bruin. And I'm very pleased today to be speaking with one of the main plaintiffs in this case, Mr. Robert Nash.
I grew up in New York State. I've always lived in New York State, and just like anything else you do in New York State, there's a lot of red tape to go through. But I felt like having a clean record and just following the steps, that everything would go smooth. But it didn't in the end. I waited about 4 or 5 months, and I was issued a pistol permit. But it had restrictions on it saying that I can only use it for hunting and target shooting. So it was my plan all along to get concealed carry. I just knew I had to go through all these, steps to do it. You get assigned a judge randomly, as far as I know, and I got assigned one, that tends to say no to everybody. It was then that I said that this law is not right. Like, this has affected millions of New Yorkers. I was already a member of the New York State Rifle and Pistol Association. I said, let me try and contact them. I emailed them, and I got an email back from Tom King. And he says, I know all about this. He says, you're not the only one. He said, but I don't know if we have a case yet. Let me talk to somebody at the NRA. And he did. He got back to me right away, and he says, look, I think we have a case. I just want to get New York State's law fixed. And I hope that they deem that this proper cause requirement violates the Second Amendment. Just because you think you're an ordinary citizen, like, you can still do something about something, whether it be a gun law or any other law. If you don't believe it's right, then fight for it, follow it in the meantime, obviously, but you can make a difference. And if it takes it going to the Supreme Court, then that's what it takes. But if you believe it's not right, then fight it.